Is it working? It does work. Let's go. This old Samsung laptop is literally not supported for this game, and I'm playing the absolute latest version of the game. Okay, 720p 60. Oh, so 30 FPS. Let's go. 30 FPS. So I got this error in Minecraft which says GLFW error 65R43. So this error, you can fix it actually. It happens due to the... Oh shit, I cannot open the GPU Z. Okay, wait up. So here you'll see that the OpenGL that I have is OpenGL 3.1. Apparently this is not supported for the newest version of Minecraft. I need OpenGL 3.2. Yeah, it sounded very close, but since it's 3.1, it's not gonna work, no matter what. Actually, in Linux, this OpenGL 3.1 would change to 3.3. It's only the case for the Sandy Bridge GPU though. If you have an older chipset, for example, it's not gonna work in Linux. So how can you fix the error when you got this 65543? It's only specifically for 65543, by the way. If you don't have this exact error, it's not gonna work. So just head up to Google. I'm gonna press OK first. So you will need to first download Fabric. Fabric is like a Forge. It's a mod loader. We need that to install the mod called ForceGL. First we download it for Windows. I already have it, but I don't care. I'm still gonna download it. So here I have Fabric. Before you click install, I want you to first check if the installation path is 100% correct. You gotta open the game folder, and then you're gonna press here, right click, copy. You're gonna paste it in this here. Just click on install. If you don't set this correctly and it's in a different path, it's not going to work. So now I think Fabric is already installed. You need to refresh, or you probably need to restart the launcher. So here you're gonna see the Fabric loader. I already have this one. It's older installation, but this is the new one. So here, just click here. We're not done yet. Let's install the mod. Now we need to install ForceGL from Modrent. I don't know if there's any source, but this is probably the best source that you can get this mod on. Scroll down and you will see these options. It says ForceGL 2.0 revamped. Why this one and not the above? Because the revamped version is much newer. It will support the latest version of the game. Let's check the version. You'll find the Fabric, and make sure you choose the correct version that you are playing Minecraft with. So I'm gonna choose this one. Before we download, oh wait, I'm gonna download first. So here you'll see the dependencies. It's the mod that you need for this ForceGL in order to work. First is Fabric API version. Download it. Okay, go back. I'm gonna be as fast as possible. Okay. And another one is the yet another config web. We're gonna download that too. Version here, the 1.20. Oh no, that's not the correct one. 1.21.4. This one. Download that. Okay, so we already have 3 of the mods downloaded. So now go back to the launcher, open the game path, and here you will find the mods folder. If you don't find it, just click on a new folder. Yes, it's the same thing, and go into the mods folder. So here it is, the ForceGL, Fabric API, and the yet another config lib. So you're gonna copy that, go back to the mods folder and paste it here. Now that you're done, go back to the Minecraft launcher, and now you're ready to enter the game. I'm just gonna skip this part, probably launching the game, so it's gonna take a long time since I have a very old CPU. Here you should be able to see the CPU specs if you're wondering. Probably most of you didn't care. It's just so old. It's terrible CPU, man. CPU is the Intel Celeron V820, 45 watts. Mainboard is the Sandy Bridge. The thing is, you can actually upgrade this to a 3rd gen, and 3rd gen is actually supported for the game. Don't need ForceGL, which is very good. The RAM is 4GB DDR3, dual channel mode, which is good. Here the speed is 665. If it's in dual channel mode, it's double that. Probably, if I'm not mistaken, it's 1333 megahertz. CL9 is pretty fast. Lower the CL the better, I think. CPU is, oh shit, it's running at 700 megahertz. What is this thing, bro? It's so slow. Is this slow? I've never seen, man. There is the power option, dynamic boost. Should probably give a good boost. Oh yeah, it is 1700 megahertz. That's what this CPU meant to be. Okay, so the Minecraft I haven't loaded yet. Bro, what is this game? Why is it taking so long, man? I'm probably gonna play a game while we wait. Man, I'm so bored as fuck. I'm probably gonna tap something, even though you can hear my voice clearly. You can play, I think. The fact that it takes so long to load is probably a good sign that it is registering and it is working. Is it working? Yo, it does work. Let's go. It works. Yes. Does it work for you guys too? Yeah. Yo, I'm so happy. It's the happiest day of my life, man. This PC, this laptop, is old Samsung laptop, is literally unsupported for this game, man. And I'm playing the latest, absolute latest version of the game. Oh shit. Oh shit. The video is glitching in my OBS in my PC, but you can see that it is running 1.2 to 1.4. That's insane. But let's see the performance of ForceGL. Oh, I don't like this video. Oh, but I don't care. Let's enter this word that I previously tested on the previous Windows video. So let's just try this. Okay, so prepare resources. Let's wait. It's gonna take an eternity for this to load, but whatever, man. Let's see how this thing goes. Let's just see. Also, if you're wondering, this also works on the original launcher. Yeah, it is working on the original launcher. I've tested it, but I'm using different launcher because, well, there's no reason in particular, but it's the same. Trust me. I've used the original launcher and it works great on this method. It has a different error, which is the 65542. It's not gonna work with ForceGL. Okay, let's go back to the Minecraft and see if it's finally loaded. Oh, it is loaded. Let's go. Oh, how much FPS is this, man? How much FPS is this? I don't know. Let's have 3. Oh man, it's so much laggy. Oh wait. I think we can go back up. Oh man, why am I in the ground? Why am I deep in the ground, bro? What? Why am I falling? Okay, apparently I'm under the ground. Apparently I'm in the cave. Oh, it's the new update cave. Okay. Oh shit, the FPS is probably not looking good. I mean, we just loaded, so let's give it time to load. But yeah, it's gonna take quite a bit of time since it's an old CPU. Just gotta wait. So 5 FPS, 3 FPS. Oh, let's check the settings, bro. Let's check this. Oh, there's a ForceGL option that I see there. Okay, so nothing seems. Oh, it's probably because there's too much program in here. Just gonna close that up. Here we see, oh man, this antivirus is hogging my CPU. Gonna close that thing up, close this CPU Z, and close everything. Basically, we're left with Minecraft. So, oh, 3 FPS, 15 FPS, 17 FPS. Yo, that's good. Okay. We got options, ForceGL options, enable mode. Changing the OpenGL version require restart multiple to. Oh, for best compatibility use 3 or 4 if your graphics card supports. Oh, okay. I'm gonna use 3 then. Save and let's. Before we restart. Oh, 26 FPS, 28 FPS. 20 FPS. It's basically playable now. Yo, that's good. Okay, 28 FPS. Let's go. Okay, let's go to the ground. Guys. Let's go to the overworld. And here we are in the overworld. We are getting 7 FPS, 8 FPS. It's much better than Mesa 3 for Windows. Better. Hashtag, write this down in the comment, guys. Hashtag better than Mesa 3D for Windows. Yo guys, tap this in the comments, bro. Better than Mesa 3D for Windows. This is insane. But we are still at 6 FPS. It's very low FPS. Not gonna lie. 13 FPS. It's probably, I don't know how I should feel about this, honestly. How about we set this to unlimited? Well, everything is off, man. How about we set this to 720p, where is it? 720p. Oh, yep, 720p. Oh, where is it? 29, man. Okay, 720p, 60. Okay, done. Okay, it's adjusting. Oh, so 30 FPS. Let's go. 30 FPS, bro. I literally got like 0 FPS in the original without ForceGL, man. That is crazy. That is fucking crazy. Oh shit, I said the word. The cuss words. I'm sorry, guys. It's bro, it was good like 1 second ago. Okay, let's go to the ground. Let's walk around a bit. 4 FPS, 7 FPS. Yo, it's. Oh shit, why is it so choppy? Wait, I need to. Okay. Okay. Oh no, I fell down the ground again. Yo, so it's basically now is playable. Look at this clip, look at this. Oh shit, it's still kinda laggy. I mean, it's Windows 10, bro. What do you expect? It's not like Linux. I mean, if you haven't seen the Linux video, you should see it, bro. Yo, this is so good. Okay, this is actually playable. Let's try using an ELYTRA. Let's try using an ELYTRA. I think I have it equipped. Oh yeah, I do. Okay, so let's fly around. Oh, we can fly around. Okay. How about we use the rocket? Oh no, it's not responding. Oh, let's go. We're flying. Oh yeah. In nothingness, it's playable. And in the ground, it's kind of playable. How is this possible, man? My PC is kind of overheating. I should probably like replace it anytime soon. But basically, this is how it is. I should probably edit this video right now. I'm not gonna procrastinate anymore. So that is it, guys. How do you think? Is it a win? Let's freaking go. Okay, so that's it for this video. Bye. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. Just goodbye. Yo. Oh shit. What is going on? 1 gigabyte? Well, 1 on Earth. Oh, wait. Is it pressing? Oh shit. My bad. Okay, so I'm gonna open this. I kinda hope that I don't mess up with the. Oh shit, I did mess up. Oh wait,